Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Bootstrap to structure modern marketing page UI easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start building a modern marketing page UI with Bootstrap, you'll first need to set up your project folder. Create a new folder on your desktop and name it marketing page. Inside this folder, create an index.html file for your main. Next, visit the Bootstrap website to download the latest version of Bootstrap. Once you download Bootstrap, extract the files into your marketing page folder. Link the Bootstrap CSS file in your index.html by adding a link tag within the head section. Add the Bootstrap JavaScript bundle before the closing body tag to enable interactive components. Now, let's create a basic HTML structure. Start with a doctype declaration followed by the HTML, head, and body tags. Inside the head tag, add a title for your marketing page. In the body section, create a container div to hold your content. Use Bootstrap's grid system to create a responsive layout. Start with a row class to organize your columns. Add a column class, like column_d6, for a 2-column layout. Inside each column, use Bootstrap components such as headings, paragraphs, and buttons to display your marketing content. Incorporate images by using the img fluid class for responsive images. Add a navbar at the top of your page using Bootstrap's navbar component. Use the navbar expand LG class to create a responsive navigation menu. Now, let's enhance your UI with Bootstrap cards for showcasing your services or products. Add the card class within a column to create visually appealing cards. Inside each card, include an image, a title, and a description. Also, add a button in each card for calls to action. Next, we will create a footer using the footer tag. Inside the footer, use Bootstrap's text classes for styling and layout. Add social media icons with links to your profiles, using Font Awesome or similar libraries. Finally, test your marketing page by opening index.html in a web browser to ensure everything looks as expected. Make adjustments as necessary for better alignment and aesthetics. Your modern marketing page UI is now set up with Bootstrap. You can continue customizing colors, fonts, and content to fit your brand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.